This car is a 1967 Mercedes 200D. My dad grew up in Palestine, and these cars are pretty popular in the Middle East. I think growing up, he was in a poor family and could never afford one. It was like his dream car when he was 18, so I knew one day, like, I wanted to buy him a car, like a classic car, and I knew this is the perfect car to get him. Bought the car, redid the paint on it, and refreshed the engine, transmission, just minor body work, and interior was in bad shape. Redid that. We're at his birthday party, and I asked him to come aside with me, and he came out and showed him the car and said it's his, and he actually cried for probably my second time seeing my dad cry my whole life. It's the 1967 2.0 liter diesel engine. It doesn't have that much power, and it's actually not as torquey for a diesel engine, but maybe that's why it's so reliable. Dude, it's like a reliable engine. It lasted this long, its original engine. I don't think it's ever been rebuilt. But when I first gave him the car, he tried to drive it, but his legs were shaking and like it was stick shift, and he was just so happy. So I took him for a drive around the block, and then we took it back home. And then later on that night, he took it for a ride. He has other Mercedes. He owns a couple other Mercedes, but this is like his favorite one. It stays covered. He takes it out to Cars and Coffee in Corona every other Saturday or so. It's like his pride.